Now that you have your new planner installed in Goodnotes, let's see how you can decorate the pages using the stickers. Inside it you have a huge collection of stickers to choose from. I'm going to show you how you can download those stickers and add them to Goodnotes. This is a to-do list stickers set I have on my shop. Click download to download the zip folder and then click 10 to-dos. Here we are. So we are inside on my iPad location, and then if you tap download, tap the zip folder to unzip, and there you have the stickers. Now let's go back to Goodnotes. Go to editing mode by tapping the pen, tap the image, and then insert from. We don't have the stickers in Dropbox, so I'm going to go to location on my iPad, downloads, 10 to-dos, and I'm going to take this one. I'm going to scale to resize it to fit one of these, just like that. Now let's go to a weekly page, add a new image, insert from. Let's choose this one. Now you can also copy an image from your photos. I'm going to just choose anything. I don't have stickers here, but I'm going to choose an image to show you how it is. And if you want to delete this, tap to edit and then delete.